Peace and salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the SouthWst Shaman, the Earl of Arizona. Thank you for tuning in, because you are now shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is wherever you're at. Coming with love from AZ. This is StereoPHiX 888, a channel about personal development, growth on YouTube, and how I'm changing my life from low vibe to high vibe. I can't save you, and I'm not here to tell you what to do, but I can share with you how I'm saving myself. This video is going to be my YouTube check-in video. What I'm doing, what I got going. I got a song going up right now. I'm filming this video. The song will hit before the video, but if you ain't seen it already, it's called Chin Check. Okay? It's on my channel under original music by the StereoPHiX Book 2, which indicates that there is a Book 1. So check that out as well. I'm working on a piece of artwork for Audrey's Treats in Phoenix, Arizona, documenting it as I go. Those videos will be coming out. Keep looking for them if for some reason they're not on there by the time you see this video, but they probably will be. What else? Working on my addition to my house, my garden. I'm growing. I'm growing. I'm getting bigger, stronger. I'm finding new methods, new things to change my life and keep myself going in that positive direction. Cause peace, positive energy activates constant elevation with no fear, no false evidence appearing real. No false evidence appearing real. And what am I doing to keep my channel cracking? Okay, I'm gonna spill the sauce. We in 2 minutes. 2 minutes in, how much value have I given you? Hopefully a lot, but I'm gonna give you some more. I'm collaborating with other people. I'm finding the people. I'm searching out other small creators or new creators. I don't even like to call us small, because we're all big. New creators. I'm looking to collaborate with you. If you're in the same arena of personal development, basically helping people find a way to step into the best version of themselves, I'm looking to collaborate. That's how I'm growing my channel. Besides all the optimization and things, get that stuff in place, of course. But then it's all about networking. We're going to network, and we're going to keep the content coming consistently, and the content will keep getting better and better. So this is gonna be a short video. That's all I'm doing on my YouTube check-in. YouTube check-in. How to get your channel moving and grooving. Network, baby. Find the other people who are doing the same thing as you. Connect with them, and then you grow together. And get out there, study. Find the channels that are focused on YouTube growth, where other small creators or new creators are congregating. So we can commune, you know. That's the best tip I could put out there. That and scheduling the videos. Schedule the videos out so the AI can work with YouTube in the background and get the video to the right audience. Trust in the process. Trust in the process. Trust in yourself. Be in a state of knowing, a state of positive delusion, and don't think of it like, what if it don't happen? What if it doesn't work? Think of it like this. Think of it like, what if it does work? What if it does happen? Like and subscribe. StereoPHiX 888. Cool runnings. Peace be the journey.